24th of November. Stocks pushing on and importantly above a key resistance level which has held price since we did break lower on the 18th. We're now back above 35.84, trading at 3600. I mean, possibly worth having a little trend line on here as well, but we're breaking that at the moment for stocks. It's all good. Of course, a long way to go today, and of course the week with Thanksgiving Thursday and Friday are bank holidays, so in the US, so going to be a quiet end to the week. Also, if we have a quick look at another interesting market, you've got gold here, and this is actually coming now to an area where I've been pretty interested in potentially looking for longs. You've got the 200-day moving average, you've got some support, let me just remove that out, you've got some support going back here to the 14th of July. You can see we gave way yesterday. We finally broke that 1850, and we've had a pretty quick run down. I mean, from yesterday's high trading at 1875, we almost went down 70 bucks. It's a pretty big move there. I'll be interested to see how we close the day and week. I actually do quite like this area for a long. Might just be you want to see how we finish the week up for that. The Aussie dollar finally broke higher. You can see here on that daily chart. Good, looks a bit ugly, that chart, isn't it? There we go, making it look a bit better. You can see we're finally trying to get a break above. Pretty key levels being tested all around though. So again, where we close the day and week will be important. Just couldn't yesterday, when we had a bit of dollar strength, make the most of it and break this trend line. No luck for the pound. You can see that did push on, but again, when we had some dollar strength, didn't finish below the key level here, 33 on the nose. Came back, found support this morning, also on the previous high, the 11th, and we have pushed higher. Although very key resistance, of course, at 134. The euro did come lower yesterday, failed test of the 118.20s, and we're back towards that high. We're stuck in a range on the euro. Look at that. Really just cannot get a close above the 3rd of September high. The bigger move will happen if we can get a break. Either way, at the moment, it doesn't look like that is going to happen. The Dow up, the NASDAQ up, but smaller. The Dow and the S&P certainly look a nicer opportunity to trade. Something's going to give here, though, on the NASDAQ. The squeeze is going to come. I wouldn't want to necessarily commit to a side, but you'd say at the moment the bulls are in control as long as we stay on the longer time frame above 11,500. Quick look then back at that Dow Jones. You can see the all-time high is not far away. That double top that we had from 30,000. The high from the 18th of November, worth keeping a watch on. One of those ones where it was quite hairy for those bulls to get back in on these previous highs. This would have been quite a struggle off that double top, but we couldn't get back below the 3rd of September high there, and it has pushed on. So yeah, at the moment, risk on. Dollar was weaker, euro is range bound, Aussie and pound breaking higher, equities looking good. Gold, keep an eye on how we finish the day and week would be my summary there, and also how we finish today. 1812 is the level in the futures that I'm keeping a watch on, and also get your 200-day moving average on there as well. Levels to the downside quickly for gold, if it is to continue, I would be looking at the next key level down at 1776. Let's have a look if there's any trend lines on there worth having. Not at the moment. Anyway guys, hope you all have a great day and even better rest of the week.